Time I got some Olsa Tools here. Now these are the Stubby ratcheting wrenches, 120 tooth. These are a metric piece, 12-piece set. It includes 8 all the way up team with no skips in between, so it has every size. It's heavy duty chrome vanadium steel construction. These are made in Taiwan, and the part number for these is number 1358. Nice cardboard box it comes in. It comes with foam wrap here, and then of course you got your foam tray that it comes in. It's plastic wrapped. Now this foam tray is pretty nice blow molded case that it comes in also. Of course it comes with your also do better paperwork that it comes with. Like I said, each one is individually with its own number, 100256. That's what this one here is, and then you also got stamped in there is your size on it as well. Like this one here is a 9mm, and then you got some laser etching on the other side for your off and for your on. We're gonna go ahead and take a quick look at the big one here. Now this one here has got the grooved edges on the inside here of the ratchet. It's supposed to help with fasteners from rounding them out. When you look here to the pin that goes through there, it's just a regular old Allen with a shoulder on it, so you got a little shoulder bolt action on there. So if these do get loose on you, you can go ahead and tighten them up. And like I said, these do have a 3-degree arc swing because they are 120 tooth. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna compare these to some of the Eastwood ones that I had bought. Like I said, this was just a small set. The Eastwood went from 8 to 13, and just a comparison here from that 13 to this 13. As you can see here, pretty close to being the same size. The Eastwood, what I do like about them is they're really small as compared to some of these other ones, so you can kind of get them into tighter spots. I believe these are 60 tooth or 72 tooth, so they're not super fine. Kind of flex them if it's a super small spot and actually get around corners and stuff. Come in handy for me when I'm working on my vehicles, my cars and whatnot. This one here is the 19mm. We're gonna head zero that out, and we're just gonna go ahead and go from point to, and we're getting 8.99, so that's pretty good. That's within a thousandth. Let's go ahead and we'll check out a 16 here, 16mm, and we're getting 16.05, 5,000th, and then we're gonna go ahead and we will check 13. This is one of the ones I use a lot when I'm working on it. So I'm getting 13.1. So the tolerances on these, the couple that we checked here, they're pretty good on the open end side. So let's check the closed end side if we can get a good measurement on it or not. It said 6 point, but it's got a couple little different grooves in here or not. But we're just gonna go ahead and see what we can get here. So here's the first one. We're getting 19.03 off the 19. So that's within 3. That's pretty good. And then we're gonna try the 16 next, and we're getting 16.03. So again, I'm liking the tolerances that I'm seeing here. You don't want them to be too loose, because then when you really round off a fastener that's already been compromised, you could really do some damage to a fastener. So 13.02 is the 13mm. So I'm liking these. The tolerances in these ratchets, guys. Prices aren't too bad, and they are a lifetime warranty from Olsa Tools. So if you guys are looking to get flex ratchets, I would say go ahead and give these a try. That's it, guys. I'm going to say thank you, God bless you, and have a great evening.